Today is a significant milestone for Portage Lakes. They are the first district to have a ribbon cutting from the CTE Construction Expansion Grant.
It started prior to even knowing there was any CT expansion. We knew in our future we needed to renovate our welding lab. It hadn't had any renovation to it since the late 70s. And I had always had in the back of my mind that I wanted a dental assisting lab here. I thought that was a missing piece to our puzzle and offerings to students and adults. So we had that idea. We began to have conversations with an architect, and then all of a sudden the money became available. So we were poised to be able to move fairly quickly on that. The architect and Shook Construction were great partners, always communicating with us. We were a team, and we were hoping to open up the first day of school, which was August 19th. But a month later, we are open. The kids are enjoying it, and our adult evening program as well.